Well, good morning vlog. Today, it is a Saturday, it is sunny, and I'm heading on my first adventure in a long time. Myself and some of my family are heading up to the Highlands and Islands of Scotland. So let's get going. This is going to be a great adventure. We started our journey by heading north, past Loch Alsh and towards Perth. We continued north past Perth and into the Cairngorms National Park. We began heading west, where open plains become tree-covered mountains. We found our way to Loch Alsh, and as we passed over the Caledonian Canal, we entered the Highlands. As we approached the west coast, the clouds started to come in. We eventually made it to Eilean Donan Castle. Wow, so many barrels. So unfortunately this isn't whiskey, but if it was whiskey, it would make sense they'd lock it up. But it is gunpowder. Wouldn't want to drink that. So is this what the castle used to look like?
There, it's at ruinous. So it's
Oh. I mean, not a bad view today. You can almost see Skye all the way over there. Just the clouds. This is the inner courtyard of the castle. Oh, we made it up to Eilean Donan Castle, which you can see in the background here. Pretty cool. We've had some lunch and we took a look around the castle. And now we're heading over to Skye. It's a wee bit windy, and I don't know much about the history of this castle, but it was something like the 12th or 13th century. It was originally built, and it was destroyed and then rebuilt. Pretty cool history. If you get a chance to come this way, definitely go check out some great people that work there, some great history tour guides as well. So yeah, maybe if I can find a link to a good video about it, I'll leave a link somewhere. And after a quick bite of lunch at Eilean Donan Castle, we headed over the Skye Bridge to the Isle of Skye. marmalade. We made it to Skye! Yay! So we're in our hotel in Portree. Let me do a quick room tour. Now, yes, I'm aware my sock has a hole in it, and yes, I'm also not using the Osmo because the battery died. But here's the bed. Whee! Jump test, successful. Bathroom, very nice. Got a nice shower, got a nice sink, got a toilet, of course, always need the toilet. Nice desk area, TV, funny looking window. Basically all you need, right? So something pretty cool that every hotel room in this hotel has is this map of the Isle of Skye. And you can see what it is it's not actually a canvas painting, but it's all fabric. Ooh. So, and this is raised, so we've got the fabric here, and then obviously stitched over it, I guess, with this raised bit. And then there's this little raised bit that shows where we are right now in Portree. So you can see where we are in relation to the whole island. I thought that was pretty cool. Alright, well I have swapped a hoodie and a t-shirt for a nice jacket and a nice shirt. So we're heading out for dinner. Pre-dinner drinks and a view. The coolins over there. Right at our hotel. These are the gardens for the hotel. Beautiful. And we've got a fire thing here. Lovely. So there's the Marmalade Hotel, and they have this fire pit in their garden. And it's super cute. Look at this. You get great views out here. Really nice. The fire pit's on. You can see the fire pit smoking. Sushi. We got tofu, cucumber, and avocado rolls, noodles, some salt and pepper chips. And that brings us to the end of our first day. Breakfast. Of course, it would have to be the Marmalade Hotel. They couldn't not serve marmalade at breakfast.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I wasn't feeling too well, so stayed behind in the hotel, but my family headed up north to climb the Old Man of Storr and got some great shots for the vlog. Well, that'll do it for this week's vlog, but come back next week for part 2 of this amazing adventure. And if you enjoyed the video, remember to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to the YouTube channel or follow the Facebook page, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Next time on the Aaron McHale vlog. Welcome. I could stare at that all day. Look at that. That is worth getting the drone out for. I don't know if I've seen anything more beautiful than just been standing here staring out at this loch.